Pitching your offer. You know what? Closing can get really complicated. Everyone has a different style that works for them. There's gurus everywhere telling you what works, what doesn't work. Fact is, most of it didn't work in the 80s and it still doesn't work today. And a lot of people take a different approach. So, what approach is going to work for you? The first thing when it comes to the offer are there's different ways that you can approach it. Some people choose the price is the price. There's no negotiating. That works because it builds trust. You say what you do and you do what you say, right? That works. But on the other hand, there are some people that will not budge unless they get a deal. With that, you have to make sure that your offer is strong enough that you are able to set boundaries, because if you don't, you give them an inch, they're going to take a mile. And that is a recipe for a client from hell, because if you give them a little, their expectations go up and their negotiation skills get a little bit shiftier, and then you can get yourself into a little bit of problem. I do use a disqualifying strategy when I don't really trust prospects, and that saves a lot of time as well. It saves a ton of effort and a dozen headaches down the road, rather than just taking a few dollars up front and dreading it later. But that's more information for another video. There is a back pocket offer that you can use. That's really good for price matching and helping people that are genuine and they actually just really don't have the resources at their disposal, so they can get started if there's a lower rate, or maybe there's a payment plan that you can offer to help people get started. The other thing is combating people's uncertainty, right? A lot of times people say no just because they're scared, they don't trust, and they want a guarantee. So there's guarantees, there's anti-guarantees, and some of those things can increase the prospect's certainty so that they trust you enough to hire you. And those are all things that can help you strengthen your offer. So thanks for listening to this video today. If you want more details, just check out the info below. Bye for now.